Welcome to Series 2026, and this video is about how to use AI in such a manner that I can complete my homework and also I can understand what the topic is all about without thinking twice about it. In this series, we are going to decode all the difficult topics in such an easy manner. And this video is like a general video, so you do not have to worry whatever grade you are in. How to use AI in school is something that I'm going to teach you. It's nothing that you already do not know, but again, it is something that is going to help you to complete your homework better and to understand things at a very fast pace. You're gonna say. So I have two AIs for you, and I'm gonna show you how these two work. Number one is the basic one that you guys already know, ChatGPT. So if anybody who is new here, I'm always going to assume that these videos you do not know anything. Even if you do, because I know that you guys are very frequently doing all these AI and stuff, and you might know a lot of stuff better than me. So this is just hear me out for a minute. Anyone who knows this, well and good. Anybody who's new, do not worry, we got you. So the first one is in this Chrome, open chatgpt.com. Log in with your email ID and something. We're going to upload any picture that you want. So for example, in mathematics and especially in science, I have some questions that I do not know. Like in science, I have some numericals, or in math, I'm having some numericals. Add that photograph and ask the prompt. For example, if I'm going to add any picture, I'm going to ask, explain this topic to me in the simplest way, like to a kid who is studying this for the very first time. This is something for prompt for the topics that you do not know at all. Like, I do not understand what this topic is all about. For example, in mathematics, if we ask about trigonometry, I do not know anything about it. For grade, these are for 10th grade. For ninth grade, let's say I have physics. I do not know what motion is and what these numericals are talking about. So put that picture here, whatever picture you are having trouble with, and then write this prompt. I'm going to paste all the prompts anyway in the description below, so you do not need to take a screenshot or do not do anything. Just this is the first prompt. And I would like to play with it. Like, I would like to say, explain with fun examples that it feels like a game. So this is something that I always put whenever I'm having trouble with any subject. I would say that help me explain in a fun manner. So this will help me to make a game out of it. And then I can ask ChatGPT that what is the solution? Give me, if you are taking mathematics and you are just write math or let's say physics motion chapter, then explain numerical, assuming you have posted any numerical or anything that you already do not know, or maybe there's some school worksheet that is given to you. So explain this numerical slash worksheet, all the questions step by step in the easiest way possible, in simplest and clearest words. That's it. If you write exactly this prompt, then it's most likely to give you the better answer, and you're not going to have like any trouble with that. But if like let's say you are taking any other prompt, just play with it, it is fine too, but I always get best answers from this one. Like all the examples that they are teaching me, this one is the best one that I can give you with. That is the first one. Always use ChatGPT for few things, like for completing your homework, not cheating purpose, but it is for understanding, like why I'm not getting this question right, or what are the steps that I could have done better to score full out of full. So this is like something which is going to help us. It is not a solver of all the problems. It is going to help us making our life easier. The line, okay, let me tell you one thing. The line between AI and human intelligence is that people who are using AI as a problem solver are never gonna be out of job, are never gonna say like being replaced by AI. Their mental ability, their intelligence, the biggest threat is using AI help us to not help, but it is gonna reduce our mental intelligence, right? So if you're using AI as a helper, then you are always staying ahead in the game. On the contrast, if you're using AI to solve just to complete your homework or getting out of a worksheet or something, then it can be a trouble. So please make sure you are doing the right thing because it is not just about completion, it is about understanding the topic better and staying ahead. Yes. The next one I'm going to introduce you with, let's say I have this chapter. I have grade 10th chemical equations chapter open. So anyone who is grade 9, please do not worry. This is something that we are just using for context purpose. So you have any PDF and select anything. Like I have randomly selected this PDF and randomly this topic. And there is a thing called Gemini, which you already know. What is going to happen with Gemini is they help you to solve anything that is troublesome in the easiest way possible. For example, I can ask this, explain the highlighted, the selected text in the easiest way possible. Again, I'm going to play with it, like to a kid, and have fun with it. With beautiful, with simplest, let's say, simplest examples. Let's say. And my internet is shutting off. Please bear with me. See. So this is how they're going to explain you that matter is like Lego blocks. If you are in ninth grade, please do not worry. Or if you're in 10th grade, you haven't started this, do not worry at all. The only point I want to show you is the examples they have made. So beautiful examples they made. This is the topic that you use Gemini to understand the topics. You use ChatGPT for any questions that you have, which is troublesome. So these two AI tools I'm going to introduce you with. If your parents are having trouble with AI, then please make sure that you tell them that this is just for your helping purpose. It is not something that you're going to rely on because you are always the one who is going to solve the problems. If you're asking any question from AI, always make sure that you are solving the similar questions by yourself and you are getting the correct answers. Correct? So there's this thin line between AI and not losing it, not losing to it. So make sure that you are doing both the things. Last, a bonus tip I always leave you, and at the end of the video, the bonus tip is that, let's say if you are having any trouble while remembering stuff. So what you can do here is, in this one, add tabs, you can have your chapter uploaded. For example, you have the entire PDF uploaded, chapter 1 of mathematics or science. Then you can tell them, make flashcards or ask me all the questions that can be asked in CBSE examination of, let's say, grade 10th. So they are going to make you, they're going to give you all the flashcards for like past 10-year questions and past 9-year questions that CBSE has. So this is like a quick way to understand which chapter is being tested with what type of questions. That's it. Please let me know if there's any other AI tool that you guys are using and I should introduce here also. I should use this also because I'm also learning. That's it for today's video. Welcome to my series 2026. If you're watching the video, then you might know that this series is for class 9 to 12. All mathematics and science topics will be decoded in such easier manner. So I'll see you in the next video. Please have fun. Bye-bye.